Meaning of functionality.
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 Functionality. The term functionality refers to the ability of something to perform a specific task or function. It is a measure of how well something works or operates in its intended manner. Functionality can be applied to a wide range of different products, systems, and processes, and is often used as a key characteristic in evaluating their quality and effectiveness. For example, a software program's functionality might be assessed by examining how well it performs its intended tasks and whether it contains all of the necessary features and capabilities. Overall, functionality is an essential aspect of ensuring that something meets its intended purpose and delivers value to its users.